If you need to open Evernote files, there are really two common situations to know about. First, you may have an Evernote export file, usually a .enx file, that you want to import into Evernote. Second, you may have a file attached inside an Evernote note and just want to open that attachment. In this quick guide, I'll show you both methods step by step so you can get to your content fast. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's start with the quickest method for a .enx file. If you are using the Evernote desktop app, you can open the file without digging through a bunch of menus. First, locate the .enx file on your computer. It may be on your desktop, in your Downloads folder, or anywhere else in File Explorer or Finder. Once you find it, open the Evernote desktop app and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Now, drag and drop the .enx file directly into your notes list or into a specific notebook in the Evernote sidebar. Evernote will recognize the file and automatically extract the notes from it. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few moments. When it finishes, your imported notes should appear inside Evernote, ready for you to view, organize, or edit. If dragging and dropping does not work for your setup, you can also look for an import option in Evernote's menu. Different versions may place this in slightly different spots, but the goal is the same. Bring the .enx file into Evernote so the notes become usable in your account. Now let's move to the second situation, which is opening a file attached inside an Evernote note. This is the method you will use when someone sends you a document, image, PDF, or other file inside a note. Start by opening Evernote and signing into your account. Then locate the note that contains the file you want to open. You can use search if you have a lot of notes, or browse through the notebook where it was saved. Once you open the note, look for the file attachment inside the content. Click the attachment once to preview it. If Evernote supports that file type, it will open a preview directly inside the app. This is the fastest way to view the file without leaving Evernote. If you want to open the file in its default program instead, double-click the attachment or choose the open option if it appears. In some cases, Evernote may open the file in a new tab or window. If that does not happen, or if the file type is not supported for preview, simply download or save the file to your computer first. Then open it from there using the app that normally handles that file type. A good tip here is to remember that Evernote is great for storing and previewing files, but some file types still work best when opened externally. So if a file does not open exactly how you expected, saving it locally is usually the easiest fix, and that's it. Whether you're importing a .enx export file or opening an attachment inside a note, Evernote gives you a simple way to access your files. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.